Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cards at home. Let's begin by gathering your basic supplies. You'll need sturdy cardstock, a good pair of scissors, and reliable adhesive. Think about what decorative elements you might want to use, like stamps, stickers, or ribbons. Finally, decide on a theme or occasion for your card to guide your creative choices. This initial preparation makes the whole process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's move on to designing your card. Start by folding your chosen cardstock in half to form a strong card base. A bone folder can help achieve a crisp crease. Before applying any glue, arrange your decorative elements on the card front. This allows you to experiment with different layouts and ensure everything fits perfectly. Using a ruler for placement helps maintain neatness and symmetry in your design. It's time to add those special finishing touches that make your card unique. Carefully attach your chosen embellishments, such as ribbons, glitter, or small die-cut shapes, using a strong adhesive. Don't forget to personalize the inside with a heartfelt, handwritten message or a stamped sentiment. For an extra pop, consider using foam dots to raise some elements, giving your card a wonderful three-dimensional effect. These details truly elevate your creation. To truly master card making, here are a few pro tips. Don't be afraid to experiment with various textures, like embossed paper or fabric scraps, and try layering different elements for depth. Keeping your supplies organized in labeled containers will save you time and frustration. Most importantly, practice regularly. The more cards you make, the more confident and skilled you will become. Enjoy the rewarding process of creating something beautiful by hand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.